I will be demonstrating how a hacker can intercept your data from an insecure website, especially when you visit any website that doesn't have this HTTPS um, secure protocol here. So as you can see, this is a test website I'll be using for that. And here you can see that this website is on HTTP, which indicates insecure connection. As you can see right here, the network is not secure. And if you look at these things, most times you look at it and you just overlook it, and your browser will tell you something like your connection to this site is not secure, you should not enter sensitive information, and most of the time you might just overlook it. So today in this video I'll be showing you that you don't overlook such a warning. Anytime that your browser gives you a warning and you overlook it, it could lead to a lot of serious problems and impact on your account. So let's see what could happen. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using the command prompt um, to ping the network so that I can get the IP address of the network, and as well I'll be using the Wireshark for my network interception. So first thing first, let's go to Wireshark, and I'm going to connect to this Wi-Fi because I'm on a Wi-Fi network right now. So when you are on the same network with the attacker, this could happen. If you are on the same Wi-Fi network, or maybe on the same network, so anytime you are on a public network, you should not you should make sure that you are on a secure connection, or that you don't put in your sensitive data whenever you are on a public network. So let me connect to this network. So this is the network I'll be using. So let me start capturing the network. So I'm going to start capturing this network. Let me not, I don't want to save this. Continue without saving. So as you can see right here, the Wireshark is currently capturing my network, and let's get on with what we want to do. So I'm going to try to log in right here. So we assume that this is you trying to log in an insecure website. So I'm going to use this username, goodness, and I'm going to put in a random password like 54019 goodness. All right, so let's try login. So this could be a successful login, or this, because this we are using this to demonstrate. So we have sent in data into the network right now. So first, the next thing I would do right now is to ping this network to get the IP address. So I'm going to ping the network to ping this domain, sorry. So this is the domain, and I'm going to ping it. So this is the IP address. So this is the target IP address I'm going to be monitoring through the Wireshark. So let me open the Wireshark. So I need to stop the network, and then I need to filter this network by IP, and I'm going to paste in the IP address that I just pinged. And right here now, I will need to monitor and see the targets, whatever I get. So this is when I did the ping, as you can see right here, when I did the pinging. So I'm going to be looking for the login. So if you see the login, it indicates. So this is the login, and you can see it is an HTTP protocol. So this is the, once I click on it, this is the detail of this network connection. So I need to go to the form URL and code. And then if I open it, let's look closely. If you look at this place, it says TB username, goodness, and then TB password. So we have been able to get the username and the password of this user through this insecure network. So whenever you see anything like this, not secure here, do not neglect it. If you like this video, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel, and share this video so that many other people can be able to see it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.